Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in the SNS College of Technology in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss about co-reference resolution. Let's begin the session. So before that, we just recap the previous session. In previous session, we have discussed about discourse segmentation. So here we have a set of sentences. So in order to understand the context of the given text, we need to split that entire text into meaningful segments. So that is the purpose of discourse segmentation. So here we have seen the example earlier. Ravi went to the market, he bought foods and then he returned home. So we are going to split this sentence into meaningful sentences like this is segment 1 and he bought fruit as segment 2 and then he returned home as segment 3. So this is our discourse segmentation. And today's topic is coreference resolution. So first we'll see what is coreference and how it is important for natural language processing system. So this is the task of identifying words or phrases that refers to the same entity in a text. So which means in our English grammar we have a term called pronoun. Okay, so first line we refer Radha as a good girl, and following the second sentence we refer she is, like that. Okay, so he, she, it, we call it as pronoun. So instead of the proper noun, we referred in the term of pronoun. So that is the purpose of pronoun. Each and every time um, we can't refer the same name again and again. So for that purpose we refer he, she, it pronoun. So that is the purpose of coreference resolution here. So it helps the machine to understand the relationship between the sentences. So here just see, Ravi went to the store, he bought milk, he bought milk. So these sentences we have, first is Ravi went to the store, he bought milk. These two sentences we have. So here in first sentence you have a proper noun Ravi. Okay, that is a person. He went to some market or some store. And second sentence we refer he. Okay, so here this he refers what? He bought milk. Who bought milk? He means Ravi bought milk. So here there is a relationship between he and what? The person Ravi. Okay, so likewise the coreference is relating the noun with the previous one or the after referring person's name or whatever we call. Okay, so this is called coreference. If you have he, she, it, the system should understand what this he, she, it is referring to. It's referring to which person. So like that it needs to have the relationship. Okay, he bought milk. So here he refers to Ravi. So your system, your NLP system must understand these things. Okay, must understand this references, this relationships. So then only the text interpretation will be a correct one, good one, and understanding the languages and the context of the text will be a correct one, proper way, a proper one. So next is your need for coreferences. So why we need this coreference resolution? Here the term we call resolution. You have to resolve the thing that he is referring to which person, she is referring to what, and it is referring to what. So this is our resolution. So what is the need for this coreference resolution? So it improves the machine understanding of text. So that is the first thing, understanding, for the purpose of understanding who this he, she is referring to what things, and helps avoid ambiguity in the sentence, which means it avoids confusions in the sentence. And the third is essential for advanced NLP applications. So just to not only advanced, developing a basic NLP application also, we are giving a prompt which involves pronouns, then it must understand the thing and it has to give the output. So that is the main advantage of this co-reference resolution. The main applications of this co-reference are like machine translation. While translating to some other language, to English to Hindi, English to Tamil, French, German, whatever may be the thing, this co-reference is a very important part. And your, as usual, I told you, chatbots and your virtual personal assistants use these things. And for extracting the information extraction, we are going to give uh, like say 2 or 3 pages of text. If it contains any kind of pronoun, it has to refer the proper noun, and it needs to give the gist of it. And question answering system, then your text summarization. So these both are related, information extraction and your text summarization also. It has to give a concise form of long text. Okay, thank you.